originally was clam leaf that they gave to the net fishermen when they took the gill net in 1995. We have a tough time growing clams here due to the predator fish. They eat the clams. And we have this stuff called roll grass that'll cover the clam bag, so they constantly got to get the grass off of the clam bags. And it takes about 2 years to grow a clam here. Where over on the west coast, Cedar Key, they can grow a clam in about a year. You'll also see some buoys scattered throughout the estuary in our local crabbers. Recreational, you can put out 5 traps per person. You do have to contact the state. They're going to give you a tag number. Every trap has to have a tag, so everybody's accountable for the traps. And they'll catch blue crabs and stone crabs. Both very delicious. Pretty cool thing about the stone crab is when you catch them, their defense mechanism is to drop their claws when finding another predator. They don't need them to survive. So when they do catch the stone crab, as long as the claw is 2 to 7/8 inches long, it's not a very female, they can take both claws from that crab, throw it back in the water, and then next year, because of the again, they can take their claws again and do that throughout its lifespan. They say the stone crab lives anywhere from 7 to 9 years. Way over time. We used to camp on this out there's water here. They say they're losing about 10% of our squirrel islands every year due to erosion. You see another osprey right here. There's an Australian pine. You'll see another nest up on top of this tree here. And it's pretty amazing. Some of these nests are very old. Some of them are 10, 20, 40 years or more. And how exposed they are to the weather and how well they survive through those storms. Some of these nests have been through multi-hurricanes, and they do better than the houses on the mainland.
That is amazing.
A couple different species of gulls. And little white birds are terns. We had a couple different species of the terns. And you have the majority are all cormorants. I don't see any anicas. Usually anicas are off to themselves. You don't see them get together like this. As you can see, the great blue herons are very territorial. They're a very dominant bird. A lot of the other birds are scared of them. The male will have an all white chest, and then the female will have brown specks on her chest. Yep. There's an ibis right there. Kind of like our Florida chicken. You see them in people's yards eating the bugs. See them along the ditches, along the edge of the canals or lakes. I'm not sure what that bird is.
The red beak?
Yeah,
That's pretty cute.
I don't ever see those. They say there's about 140 different species of birds in this area. So it's hard for me to... No, that's a sunken pirate ship. That's an old sailboat. Usually it's underwater. That's why it has never been... it sank probably about 20 years ago right here. And then now it's... Actually, it's a whole ecosystem. I think that's another reason why they haven't pulled it. As you can see, it's got barnacles and all kinds of life on it. And fish like that, we call them fads. You got an artificial reef, fish like it, and the wildlife likes it.